Toronto Film Production and Motion Capture Techniques. Motion capture is the process of using the motions, actions, and sometimes expressions of a human actor and animating a computer-rendered model from those actions to move a model exactly as the actor did. Further, camera movements and angles can be incorporated into the scene that are also used in the computer model. Motion capture is sometimes referred to motion tracking or mocap. In a motion capture session, the actor will don special markers and complete their performance. Motion sensors may also be applied all over the face to capture expressions, and this information is called animation data. The animation data is then placed onto a 3D model. This is referred to as 3D motion capture, whereas 2D motion capture is something different entirely, sometimes called rotoscoping. Animators trace over live action to create 2D animation. One example of this technique is the recent film A Scanner Darkly. There are two types of markers used on the actors during the motion capture process: active markers and passive markers. Passive markers rarely reflect light into the camera, which doesn't see anything else other than the reflected light. Active markers use LED lights with software instead. Newer technology that is currently emerging does not require markers of any sort, instead having software identify human forms and in their actions. Match moving and motion capture go hand in hand. When a live action is filmed with an ordinary camera and motion capture or other special effects are added, it must be incorporated seamlessly and with the same perspective as any scenery or other objects in the shot. Two examples of the softwares that do this are Buju and Mocha version 2. Buju allows for feature detection as well as terrain generation, which are applicable in adding special effects into the scenes with little or no detail or markers like a large body of water from a distance, or tracking very difficult terrain like leaf piles and meadows. Mocha version 2 by Imagineer Systems is another tracking software that allows for exporting tracking data into the editing software and is used for tracking within the entire scene. Some of the most notable uses of motion capture technology are Gollum, The Lord of the Rings, and Avatar, where the actors' movements and expressions were captured extremely well and gave their characters life. Motion tracking data is also used in the creation of video games, as well as medical applications to study human movements.